So my name is Zeba Boughner, and I'm in procurement at Maersk. I've been at Maersk for 10 years. I'm just newly in procurement. I've only been in that role for 6 months now. What's really important, what changed this year for me, is we came up with a purpose, which I think is a wonderful purpose. It is improving life for all by integrating the world. And to me, that's just an amazing purpose, because improving life for all, that just says everything to me. Like that's a company that you want to work for. That's a company that wants to make big changes and improve life for everyone. And who doesn't want to do that? Who doesn't want to make a difference? I want to make a difference. So that gets me out of bed in the morning. How can we improve life for all? About 4 years ago at Maersk, I decided to join an engagement team because I felt like, engagement is important. We spend a lot of time together. We should all be happy. So I joined that team, and we were brainstorming and coming up with ideas, and was thinking it would be nice to do something with the environment. Environment and the climate issues are hugely important for society right now, even more so now as climate change is happening. You can see the weather changing, you can see more storms, more heat. Things are not going to be good if we don't make changes. We have to make changes, we have to do something now. And that's why I'm so proud of my company. Maersk has said that they're going to decarbonize logistics. To be carbon zero is a huge ambition. And I think we're going to do it. It sounds like we're going to do it. We're on our way. So now what can we do as employees of Maersk? And that's where I come in. I have been working to get volunteers to come do river cleanups, to plant trees, to be aware of what's going on around us in the environment, and to make improvements. Because every little thing that we do, you think it's not going to make a difference, but it does. Every water bottle you pick up out of the riverbank or a beach or the street is one water bottle that's not going into the ocean. And if we can stop that, like imagine you pick up a plastic bag that's just sitting there. That plastic bag it rains, and that plastic bag goes into a river. So if that's something we can prevent, if that's something we can just pick up have one less piece of trash going into the ocean, I think that would be a huge improvement. So this year, I've had more involvement in environmental matters because I have been able to get a budget. And I also now have a team of 3 other people who volunteer with me. Everybody needs to join this race. We all need to work together to find ways to recycle, not use single-use plastics, not throw trash on the ground. Then we can get somewhere. So it's about educating people that we need to. This is our one planet. It's a beautiful planet. It's all we have. We need to take care of it. We can't destroy it.